Somebody wants to help me pack right now. Hey guys, what's up? So it is actually the day before I leave for California to visit my best friend. I'm so excited to see her. My flight actually leaves tomorrow at like 9 a.m. So I do have to get to the airport at like 7 probably. So I am flying Delta, but I did get stuck with a middle seat, which I just don't like because I don't even know the people next to me. So I just don't like being stuck in the middle, but it's okay. Obviously I'll survive, and luckily Delta has like movie screens, so I am hyped. All right, so I kind of already like clumped together a bunch of things that I want to take. Okay, screw that. That I'm gonna take on the trip. So let's try to get all of this in the suitcase. I think this is what I'm going to wear to the airport, just these gray leggings and this white cropped hoodie. Packing the curling iron and my straightener. Well, the only like bathroom products I can pack right now are my body wash and my shampoo and conditioner. I'm just gonna put it all in the Ziploc bag so it doesn't get all over my clothes. Somebody wants to help me pack right now. You're so cute. You're so pretty. I'm gonna miss you, babe. I'm gonna miss my baby. Hi. Aw, thank you. All right, now I'm gonna try to fit some shoes in that little small suitcase. I think I'm gonna bring these ones because we're gonna go hiking, and then I either want my Air Force Ones or these ones. Ugh, there's no way I can bring 4 pairs of shoes. These ones are just like my favorite, but these ones are kind of cooler, so I might have to pick these. Okay, let's see how this goes. I know that when you close the suitcase, like you'll get a little extra room, so all right, we're gonna just try this out. Okay, nope, it's going in like this. How the frick am I gonna do this, guys? All right, I managed to fit those 2 pairs of shoes in there. I think I'm gonna have to just wear my Air Force Ones to the airport and then I'll be fine. But yeah, I'm sad that I can't bring those checkered ones. So we got the shoes in here. Squeezed my curler back here. Squeezed my straightener right here. And then I got the shampoo body wash right here. And I think I'll have room for like makeup, skincare, and then I'm basically good. I think I'm gonna see how much this weighs thus far, just so I see how much room I have left for like makeup and my skincare stuff. You just attach your bag to this and then like hold it in the air and see how much it weighs. So we'll see. I have to get it like under 50 pounds. I don't think it's over 50 right now. Now let's just see how much room your girl has left. Love when my name is on so many things. Now it's just tweaking out over here over the sunlight, so yeah. Wow, yeah, it's only 15.8 pounds. So yeah, we're good. We just made it right under 50. All right, so I kind of just started packing my carry-on bag. I just have like both of my types of headphones in here. This one so I can listen to movies on the plane, and then this one which is for my phone in case I need it. And then I also have just like this lipstick in here and some Burt's Bees chapstick. I'm also gonna bring this book. I probably will not even read it, to be honest, but I'd rather have it than not have it. It's honestly not even a bad book. It's pretty interesting, but I don't know why I just cannot finish this book. I also bought these goldfish to eat on the plane, so I'm gonna put these in my carry-on as well. Nice. So I think that's all I'm gonna put in my carry-on for now. I will put my laptop in there before I leave for the airport, and then I will of course be bringing my camera. I am planning to film maybe a few videos while I'm there. I would love for you guys to meet my friend. She did say she'd be cool with being in a video, so we'll see. But yeah, if you want to see more of my trip and what I do, and also want to meet my friend, then definitely make sure you are subscribed and have your post notifications on. That way you won't miss any of the videos that come out. I know I'm gonna post this video on Monday, but I'm not sure when the other videos will come out. I don't know if I'm gonna post them after my trip or during my trip. I guess we'll just have to see how that goes. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm not really sure how long it's gonna be. I hope it's not too short. But yeah, make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!